Alright guys, so as a superintendent you got to answer your phone. That's some of the unsung things that people don't talk about. So this morning about 7:30 I got a phone call letting me know that a generator was down up here about an hour away from where I live. So had to hop in the truck and head down the road. This generator is operating that water system that I've posted videos on. So apparently they've been having problems all night long, and finally gave me a call about 7:30. So here I am, hopped in the truck and headed down the road to go see what's going on. Not to say that I'm a generator guy, but I am the superintendent of the project, so I need to be on site and make some critical calls once on site. So everything that I had planned for today got put on the back burner until we get these pumps and these wells back online, because without the generator running, this whole city will be out of water here soon. So here I am on the road, and like I said, that's one thing about being a superintendent people don't talk about, is when that phone rings, you got to go and try to get your customer satisfied and back online. So like I said, it's Saturday morning, and this was not on my plans to be down here in Tier C. So we'll get this thing taken care of and get back with you once I get done and see what time it is and go from there. So we'll talk soon. All right guys, so it's the end of the day. We had about it's going to be about a 13-14 hour day. Had to replace a VFD and a pump station. Then the generator wouldn't push the pump once we got the VFD going, so had to get the power company in and hook in some power, permanent power, that we weren't planning on getting hooked in about for another week. But once that was done, everything went well. So if you guys like what you see, please let me give me a like and subscribe, and we'll be doing more of these. But for this day, it's about wrapped up. Just another hour ride home. I got me a cup of coffee and a little something to snack on. Haven't had anything to eat all day, so nibble on that on the way home, and we'll get home safely. So we took two new guys and had them experience a good long work day on a Saturday. So they got to experience that and maybe question their want to become an electrician, but it'll be all right. So that's all I got for now. So be safe out there, and we'll talk soon.